everyone, my name is Ish Regodos and I'm a motion designer based in the Philippines. Today we're diving into animation. Like, what even is it? How is it being different from video editing? We'll also check out some cool types of animations and when it is best to use in your videos. So stay tuned. What is animation? In simple terms, animation is the process of making still images move. It's like bringing drawings or digital objects to life by showing them frame by frame really fast to create the illusion of movement. There's no actual magic involved, of course, just pure science. Specifically, the persistence of vision playing a delightful trick on your mind. Early pioneers way before digital tools understood this. They used devices like Thaumatropes and Zoetropes to prove this principle, spinning discs and cylinders to bring simple figures to life. We're still using that same core idea today, just with fancier tools. So, animation is basically movement created from a series of images. Animation is used almost everywhere, in movies, TV shows, ads, video games, and even educational videos. It helps explain ideas, tell stories, and make visuals more fun and engaging. For instance, if we want to show how volcanoes erupt or how planets move, you can easily do that with animation instead of real footage. Now let's clear up a common misconception. Animation and video editing are related, but they're not really the same thing. They might both result in moving pictures, but their fundamental processes are way different. Animation is about creating movement from scratch, like making drawings, text, or 3D objects move. Video editing is about arranging and polishing existing footage, trimming clips, syncing audio, adding effects, or transitions. So think of it like this. If you're creating the visuals, that's animation. If you're organizing or refining real video clips, that's editing. Sometimes both are used together, like adding text or graphics to your vlog or documentary. Let's talk about the 6 common types of animation you'll come across. Traditional animation or cel animation. This is the classic frame-by-frame drawing style. Every movement is drawn by hand, like in the old Disney movies such as The Lion King or Snow White. What defines it? Everything you see is flat. It is drawn or created on a 2D surface. There's no real depth like in 3D. Instead, artists make it look like there's distance by using tricks such as perspective, overlapping objects, and moving backgrounds. 2D vector animation is a type of animation made using shapes, lines, and curves inside the application or software instead of pixels or drawings. In simple terms, it's animation made from vector graphics. For example, characters or objects in vector animation are usually made up of simple shapes, like circles, rectangles, or curves. These shapes can be moved, rotated, or stretched to create smooth motion. Examples of these are cartoons made in software like Adobe Animate or Toon Boom Harmony. This is best for clean, modern-looking animation, like explainer videos, motion graphics, or web cartoons where you want crisp lines and smooth movement. 3D animation is a type of animation uses computer-generated 3D models, meaning they have height, width, and depth to mimic or copy real life. These 3D digital models can be rotated, viewed from any angle, and placed in realistic environments with lighting and shadows. It's a kind of animation you see in movies like Toy Story or Frozen, and in most modern video games. This is made by taking photos of real objects, like clay figures, paper cutouts, or toys, moving them slightly each time. When all the pictures are played quickly in order, it looks like the objects are moving on their own. It's the same idea as a flipbook, but done with real things instead of objects. Movies like Coraline or The Nightmare Before Christmas use stop-motion animation. Motion graphics focuses on moving texts, shapes, and images instead of characters or full scenes. It's when you bring graphic design to life by making them move to share a message or explain an idea. For example, text sliding in, icons rotating, or animated charts on the screen. You often see motion graphics in ads, explainer videos, intros, title sequences, and social media contents. This is best for presentations, brand videos, or educational films where you want to make information more engaging and easy to understand. Mechanical or cutout animation is a type of animation made by moving flat pieces like paper cutouts, photos, or digital shapes frame by frame to create movement. It's like making a puppet show with paper or digital pieces. The characters or objects are cut into parts like the arms, legs, or heads, and each part is moving slightly for every picture taken. When played quickly, it looks like the pieces are moving. Classic shows like South Park and older animations made with paper figures use this style. Animation has come a long way from simple hand-drawn frames to the advanced digital techniques we have today. New styles like rotoscope, motion capture, and hybrid animation have opened up more creative possibilities. It just shows how animation keeps evolving, giving artists ways to express their ideas and bring stories to life in new and imaginative ways. Now that you know the 6 main types of animation, you're wondering, when should you use animation in a video? Now, animation works best when you want to explain complex ideas in a simple, visual way. You need to show something impossible to film, like molecules, space, or abstract concepts. You want to catch attention quickly, especially in ads or social media videos. Or you just want to add creativity and personality to your content. You know what? I still have some travel clips from my trip in France back in 2018. I've been overthinking how to edit them because I want to try something different. Maybe mix in some animation just to challenge myself. I don't want it to be like the usual travel videos I see on YouTube. But honestly, I still haven't figured it out yet. Maybe you're in the same spot too, and hopefully this video gives you a few ideas. So to sum it up, animation is about creating movement, while video editing is about arranging and enhancing real footage. And when used together, they can make your videos more powerful and engaging. So if you're just starting out, maybe you can try simple 2D animations or motion graphics. They are super fun and beginner-friendly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials. Once again, this is Ish Regodos. Thank you for watching.